Hey guys, welcome to Cara's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making red beans and rice. These are all the ingredients I will be using in this video today. You don't have to use the same seasonings as I did. You can swap out for your favorite seasonings. First, I am going to start by pouring some red beans in a strainer, and then I'm going to pick out all the abnormal looking beans because you don't want that in your red beans and rice, of course. And now I'm just going to rinse those off really well, because you don't want any dirt or particles floating around in your red beans. Now I'm gonna dump those red beans in my crock pot, and I am doing this overnight so I don't need to soak them in water. I'm adding water. You don't want to add too much water, just enough to cover the beans. You can also use chicken stock instead of water, but I didn't have any chicken stock on hand, so I just used water. Now I'm just going to add my seasonings to my crock pot. I do not measure my seasonings, I just kind of eyeball it, but if you have to have measurements, then I'm going to put the measurements that I think I used in the description box. After I add all my ingredients, I am going to stir it up. Now I'm just gonna let her cook on low for the rest of the night. I checked on my beans the next morning and they are nice and tender. Part is optional, but I am going to add sausage to my red beans and rice. I'm just going to cut them up so I can saute them in a pan. After I get my sausage all cut up, I'm going to add butter to a pan. I'm going to let that melt and get hot. After that's ready, I'm going to add my sausage and let that brown up. My camera died, but all I did was place the sausage and my red beans and rice and let that marinate all together for about 30 minutes. And that's it. This is my final result. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.